Hey everyone, did you know that in 2026, the Pakistan Stock Exchange, PSX, has already smashed records, with the KSE 100 hitting over 185,000, 189,000 points, and analysts predicting even higher, like 200,000 plus by year end? But here's the shocking truth. While smart investors are making lakhs in profits, 90% of beginners are losing money fast. Today, I'm revealing the best beginner-friendly strategy for 2026 that can help you start from zero and build real wealth, safely and consistently. If you're new to stocks or tired of losses, watch till the end. This could change your financial game forever. Hit that like button now and turn on notifications so you never miss these tips. Welcome back to Capital Craft, your go-to channel for smart investing and wealth building. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into what's happening in the stock market right now in 2026, especially Pakistan and India. Hamas, the safest and most profitable strategy for complete beginners. A step-by-step plan you can start today. Let's jump in. First things first. The stock market is simply buying shares of companies. When the company grows, the share price rises and you profit. In 2026, things are exciting. In Pakistan, the PSX is on fire. The KSE 100 has surged massively, up over 60% in the last year, hitting all-time highs around 183,000, 189,000 recently. Analysts from places like AKD and Topline predict it could reach 200,000, 263,000 by December, driven by lower interest rates, economic reforms, foreign inflows, and strong sectors like banking and energy. In India, Nifty 50 is trading around 25,900 to 26,000 with a positive bias. Experts see upside to 26,200 plus if it breaks key levels, though some caution about short-term dips. Global trends like AI, infrastructure, and defense are boosting markets. But remember, stock market success isn't luck, it's discipline. Beginners lose because of emotions, no plan, and jumping into risky trades. The winning strategy for 2026? A smart mix, 70% passive investing plus 30% active swing trading. This keeps risk low while giving you growth and extra profits, perfect for beginners. Step 1, get set up, basics. Open a DMAT trading account. In Pakistan, use brokers like AKD, Arif Habib, or apps like K-Trade, PSX Online. In India, Zerata, Grow, or Upstocks. Start small, even 10,000, 50,000 PKR INR is enough. Practice first. Use demo paper trading accounts for 2 to 3 months before real money. Step 2, and 70%, passive. Build wealth safely, the foundation. Invest in index funds or ETFs that track KSE 100, Pakistan, or Nifty 50, India. These give market average returns, historically 12-15% plus long term. Use SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Invest a fixed amount every month. Compounding does the magic. Why it works in 2026. PSX expected to outperform other assets, 21% plus projected growth in some reports, and steady economic recovery supports this. Example, invest 5,000 PKR INR monthly at 12% average return. In 10 years, it could grow to 10 to 12 lakhs or more. Step 3, 30% active swing trading, boost profits. Swing trading is ideal for beginners. Hold stocks for 3 to 15 days to catch short trends. Simple rules. Pick strong stocks in hot sectors, banking, energy, infrastructure in Pakistan, defense, IT in India. Use basic technicals, look for support, dollars resistance, bullish patterns, high volume. Risk only 1-2% of your capital per trade. Always set a stop loss. Follow news. Economic reforms, lower rates, foreign investments are big drivers in 2026. Avoid day trading or intraday as a beginner. Too risky. Step 4. Master psychology and rules. Control greed and fear. Stick to your plan. Keep a trading journal. Note every trade, why you entered, and lessons. Read daily. Follow PSX site, Bloomberg, Economic Times. Prefer halal, Sharia-compliant options if that's important to you. In Section 3, avoid these common beginner mistakes. 1 to 2 minutes. Don't do this. Trading on tips or emotions. No stop loss wipes out accounts. But all in on one stock or risky intraday. Ignoring diversification. Patience wins. Consistent small wins beat big gambles. But conclusion. Plus, strong call to action. Last 30-60 seconds. Energetic. Smile to camera. So there you have it. The best 2026 strategy for beginners. Passive foundation for steady growth. Plus, smart swing for extra gains. Start today. Open your account, begin SIPs, and stay disciplined. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe to Capital Craft right now and hit the bell icon. We drop fresh stock tips, market analysis, and strategies every week to help you build real wealth. Drop a comment. What's your 2026 investing goal? How much do you plan to start with? Thanks for watching. Invest smart, stay consistent, and see you in the next one. Capital Craft, your partner in wealth building.